let's make a creamy, cheesy cauliflower mash together. So you're gonna start by just adding your raw cauliflower to water and boil it till it's tender, about 15 minutes. So we're gonna mash up the cauliflower, and then we're gonna add in our butter and cheeses to it. 2 teaspoons of garlic salt. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of our Meridian house seasoning. 1.5 cups of shredded marbled cheese, and then 1.5 cups of shredded Parmesan. For the topping, we're going to mix 1/3 cup of melted butter with 1.5 cups of panko breadcrumbs. Next, you're going to pour it into a greased 9x13 baking dish. And you're going to add your panko breadcrumbs and butter mix to the top. Smooth it around. Add some fresh Parmesan cheese and some paprika. Bake at 350 for about 40 minutes.